Welcome class 5 in your science class. As we know, we have completed the short answers in our video. So today I'll start the long answer questions. So the first question is given here. Classify animals on the basis of their eating habits. Define and give two examples of each group. So we have just at first on the basis or the feeding of the animals, divide the animals into three groups, that is carnivorous, herbivorous and omnivorous. So I have given here on the basis of the animal's feeding habit, we can divide them into three types: herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. First one is herbivorous. Animals that eat only plants and its products are called herbivorous or herbivorous animals. Examples: cow, goat, deer, giraffes, etc. Again, if we'll repeat, herbivorous animals are those animals that eat only plants and its product are called herbivorous or herbivorous animals. Examples are given here: cow, goat, deer and giraffe, etc. Next category is carnivorous animal, and if we'll see the carnivorous animal, so animals that eat only flesh of other animals are called carnivorous or carnivorous animals. Example: lion, tiger and wolves. So carnivorous are the animals who eat the flesh of the other animals, as they eat only to hunt the other animals and eat their flesh. That's why they are called carnivorous. And the last category is the omnivorous. The animals that eat both plants and the flesh of the other animals are called omnivorous or the omnivorous animals. As we know, few animals like crow is there, bear is there, they are also called the crow is also called the city cleaner, because whatever they find, whether it is a flesh part or whether it is a any plant part, maybe any type of food material, maybe it belongs to the plant part or maybe it is a flesh part, they eat them and they make the city clean. That's why they are called the city cleaners. We human beings, we also eat the plant products as well as the other animals flesh like chicken, mutton, etc. Milk, even the milk is also a plant product, and eggs, other things we eat which are produced by the animal. That's why human being is also categorized in omnivorous group. Okay, so the examples are given here: human being, bear and crow. Okay, so this is the first answer we have explained. I have explained you just write it down. And the second question is given here: what is camouflage and how does it help the animals? So the second answer, I'll write it over here so that you'll come to know what is camouflage and how it is help the other animals. Okay, so we will write the second question. Long answer, second question is given. Long answers. Second question is: what is camouflage? Question 2 is given. What is camouflage? What is camouflage? How does it help the animal? How does it help? How does it help the animals? Okay, so the answer is: some animals like tiger, zebra, grasshopper, grasshopper, grasshopper can merge their body covering can merge their body covering can merge their body covering with their surrounding, with their surroundings, with their surroundings. This feature is called camouflage. Okay, so some animals like tiger, zebra, grasshopper can merge their body surrounding and they just mixes with their surrounding, and this feature of particular or some kinds of animal is called camouflage. So how does it help the animals? Write it down. Camouflage makes animal camouflage makes animals hard to spot and protects them from other hunting animals and also from poaching. Okay, so camouflage is a special feature by which animals hide themselves because they can merge their body covering with the surrounding. So in this way it is very hard to spot them. So this is a benefit for the animals. It is very hard for the other animals who will hunt these kind of animal. They cannot detect them. It is very hard to spot these animals because within the surrounding they merge their body. It seems that the other things are there. Okay, now this is the camouflage and it helps us to protect them from the other hunting animals and also from poaching. So what is the poaching? Poaching means illegal hunting. So some kind of human beings, they go inside the jungle and unauthorized or in the illegal way they just hunt the animal and sell their body parts. So for protecting them from this kind of poaching, this camouflage feature also help them. Okay, that's all for the day. I have given you 2 long answers and 1 think and write. You will do it and then I will discuss in the class. Okay, that's all for the day. Have a nice day and goodbye.